And
right
she's
there.
screaming because she's got eggs right here.
Look at her. She's mad.
And she's puffing all up.
Look at the eggs. Oh, they're so pretty. Look what color they are. See, she's making you think she's hurt. She
Mm-hmm.
wants to get you away from her eggs. They're so pretty. Look at her. Look at her.
That's a great act. We're not buying it.
See, they get really mad at you.
She is loud.
Oh, that's Roxanne. Where are they going? To Clay. She feels obligated to go to her brother's. Oh. Look at her. She's acting like she's